There's a lot of faith in this neighborhood. You've got to have faith to survive.
God's greatest commandment, you're going to hear this from me a million times, is to love your neighbor as you love yourself.
The basic is doing what's right and being taught the golden rules, you might say, the Sermon on the Mount, do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
That's what the church is all about. It's about ministering into the entire man, not just coming to church on Sundays, praising God, giving your tithes and offering, but after that, what do you do after you leave the church? What do you do on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays? Do you do the same thing over and over, or are you trying to change somebody's life?
But he says, love your neighbor. Now, if I love him, I want to help him know Christ, but I also want to help him learn to read. I want to help him have adequate housing. I want to help him have good health care. All of these kinds of things.
These type of things, when instilled in young people, when they grow older, they don't stray too far away from it. Or when people come at them, they got enough strength to say, no, that's wrong.
The children, the youth of the day, they have the mentality of they don't care about dying. And we got to get that mentality out of them and just let them know that, listen, they got a whole lot to live for. We got to change with the times. We can't stay in the 19th century ministry and we live in the 21st century world. And a lot of the youth that comes from the neighborhood, they comes here because they see this as a safe haven. I'm trying to make this church into a safe haven because I'd rather them be in the church, you know, having activities to do than being out there on the streets, selling drugs, robbing people, killing. And so they see that the church is opening up its arms to the young people.
We always try to surround the kids with a network of support. So it's all about relationships. The more people we can get involved with our young people, the better.
And then at about 3:55, they have a like an opening ceremony of the day. And you'll see all the kids line up, and you'll hear them talk, like go through their creed.